How to change background color on SquareSpace, easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to change background color of a section on SquareSpace. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your squarespace.com, log into your account, and select the website you want to edit. This is a website that I am editing, and I'll show you how to change the background color. You can see I'm going to click on edit, and now we will be able to edit our website. So you're going to select the section or a background that you want to change the color for. So I'm going to select this one right here. You can see it has this, color. So I'm going to select it. You have to select the background right here. You can see. Once you select the background, then we can click on edit section. Once you click on edit section, then you're going to select background. In background, we can add an image. We can also add a video, or we can add a art as well. Or we can go to the colors right here and change the background color. You can see this is the background color and we can change it. So I'm going to click on the edit option. This is just for the color. If you are looking to add an image or a video, then you will select the other option. This is the color that we have. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the color from here and we can change it, of course. Make sure that your color is according to the theme of the website, because you don't want to add a color which does not match your theme. So first of all, it will give you a palette for a theme color that you have for your website, or you can go with a custom color as well. So we had a very dark color, this one. I'm going to actually make it a little lighter and change it to this color right here, or we can go with a custom color as well. Maybe we can go with the brown color that we have on our website, and I'm gonna go with this one. Once you're done with the editing, you're just gonna click on done. You can see there are a lot of other options to edit everything about a section. We can edit the text color, we can edit the image color, everything. But this is how you will simply change a background color on Squarespace. Once you're done, you can get back, close, and now you can see my background color has been changed. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.